Hey everyone, and welcome back to TheCityDoctor. Today, we're talking about something really important: supporting our body's natural detoxification system. Your liver and kidneys are powerhouses, working 24/7 to keep you healthy. But sometimes, they can use a little gentle support. We're going to explore 3 amazing herbal teas that can help support your liver, kidneys, and blood cleansing naturally. First, a quick reminder: this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider, especially if you are pregnant, taking medication, or managing a medical condition. Alright, let's start with the plant many of us see as just a weed: dandelion. But dandelion root tea is a superstar in the world of herbal medicine. For centuries, it's been used to support both liver function and kidney health. So, how does it work? Dandelion root supports the liver's natural detoxification enzymes and encourages bile production. Bile is crucial because it helps your liver break down and eliminate toxins. At the same time, it acts as a gentle diuretic, which supports your kidney's filtration process and can help reduce water retention and that annoying bloated feeling. What's great about dandelion root is that it supports the liver without putting extra stress on the kidneys, unlike some harsh detox products you might see out there. For best results, try drinking 1 cup daily, preferably in the morning or early afternoon. I'd avoid drinking it late at night because of its mild diuretic effect. You can easily find it at places like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and even in the herbal tea section at Walmart or on Amazon. Next up is milk thistle tea, a powerful liver protector. Milk thistle is one of the most well-researched herbs for liver health in modern medicine, and it's widely respected in both the US and Europe. Its magic comes from a compound called silymarin. Silymarin is incredible. It helps protect your liver cells from damage caused by toxins, supports the regeneration of new, healthy liver cells, and even helps neutralize harmful free radicals in your blood. This tea is often recommended for people who might be exposed to things that stress the liver, like alcohol, a diet high in processed foods, or even certain environmental toxins. It's important to understand that milk thistle doesn't aggressively flush your liver. Instead, it focuses on repairing and strengthening it, which is the key to long-term liver health. You can enjoy 1 cup daily, and it's often best to have it after a meal. For most adults, it's safe for long-term use. You can find milk thistle tea at pharmacies like CVS or Walgreens, health stores like GNC, and of course, online. Our third and final tea is nettle leaf tea, a fantastic blood cleanser and kidney tonic. In American herbalism, nettle leaf is highly valued for its ability to support blood and kidney health. How does it do this? Nettle helps your kidneys filter waste products from the blood, supporting overall urinary health. It's also packed with nutrients like iron and magnesium, and it's rich in antioxidants that help combat inflammation throughout your body. Because of these properties, nettle tea is often suggested for people dealing with issues like fatigue, poor circulation, or mild inflammatory conditions. A good starting point is 1 cup a day. You can increase it to 2 cups for short periods if you feel you need a little extra support. The best time to drink it is usually midday. Look for organic nettle leaf tea at Whole Foods, local natural health stores, or on Amazon. Now, let's talk about how to use these teas safely. It's not a good idea to combine all 3 in one day, especially when you're just starting. Begin with 1 tea at a time to see how your body responds. And remember, whenever you're supporting your body's filtration systems, it's crucial to stay well hydrated, so drink plenty of water. Also, please avoid these detox teas if you are pregnant, have known kidney disease, or are on medications for blood pressure or blood thinners, unless your doctor has specifically approved it. Let's wrap up with the final thought from a medical perspective. It's vital to remember that your liver and kidneys are already designed to detoxify your body. These herbal teas are meant to support those organs, not replace their function. True, sustainable detoxification comes from a healthy lifestyle: eating well, staying active, and reducing your exposure to toxins, not from a one-day cleanse. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to TheCityDoctor for more wellness content, and share it with someone you know who cares about natural health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.